Comments I am not going to give this thing because I am also not well. But the only thing is we have to speak everywhere, and the situation in the country is very bad. Political situation particularly is really haunting, and it is very difficult for all of us to digest, understand and move forward. The opinion in the country which is created by the very small group, which has been projected and promoted and distributed among all the citizens in such a systematic manner, which everybody we have to condemn. The first and foremost, the demonetization, which is against the Dalits and the poor people, and particularly to the smallest, the whoever is the vegetable sellers, like many, they are all struggling like anything. But when you want to take the bite or you want to talk to them, but many says, okay, ठीक है, ये कुछ ना तो हो रहा है, ऐसा एक माहौल ये देश का अंदर तैयार हो गया. This we have to see very critically. Who is actually making the people to say? That we have to understand. Today is the important day. This is the Baba Saheb Ambedkar's death anniversary hai. And here I am not going to say that definitely Ambedkar is my something like, as the Prime Minister says, मैं अम्बेडकर का भक्त है, ऐसा बोलना मैं बिल्कुल नहीं आया. क्यों तो अम्बेडकर का कोई भक्त ना हो सकते, अम्बेडकर कोई का भगवान भी नहीं हो सकते. Ambedkar is a visionary and is the architecture of the Indian Constitution, which actually built on the equality. But the problem here in this country is after 61 years or something, still that equality has, just like in the Constitution, just like an idea, the sense of the equality is nowhere in the country. Nowhere in the country. And people started telling and talking many places, where is the untouchability, where is the discrimination line? ऐसा बकवास बोलने वाला भी ये देश पे बहुत संख्या बढ़ रहा है. बट सच क्या है, हमारा जैसा बोलने वाला सारे लोग उनका बताना, ये देश पे कोई भी होगा, देश पे कोई भी होगा, एक इंसान एक नागरिक बाहर आके कहीं एक जगह इधर अनटचेबिलिटी नहीं है ऐसा दिखाने की एक जगह है. After so many years of the independence, we are failed totally to create the place where there is a clear democracy, where there is a equality. The society is completely divided and it is continuously dividing. And particularly some political parties, particularly the ruling party, they started not just the caste, they started working out the subcaste also nowadays. Which subcaste has how many votes and how we can keep them in with us and how we can make them as a part of our wider agenda. Their wider agenda is India they don't want to see as a place where there is a harmony. They want to create the problem. Like the Prime Minister created, added one more problem like on November 8th. We are already struggling with the many problems. We are unable to resolve any problem in the country. We talk about many but we never. Likewise he added one more very purposely. We may think that he is an innocent and he has announced. No, it is a very clear. It is a very clear agenda. What they want, now they are slowly coming. Cashless, all these things. But actually ये देश पे एक होना चाहिए, कैशलेस नहीं है. कोई का भी थोड़ा ताकत है तो कोई सुन सके तो आप थोड़ा दिमाग एक जगह रख के सुन लो. ये देश पे कैशलेस सोसाइटी चाहिए. कैशलेस पे का बात नहीं होते हैं, कैशलेस पे आते हैं. कैशलेस पे क्यों बात नहीं करते हैं? ये कोई कैश इधर जरूरत नहीं है, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन जरूरत नहीं है, अनटचेबिलिटी जरूरत नहीं है. इस पे बातचीत ही नहीं होती, कोई बात नहीं. एकदम आते हैं ये नहीं चाहिए, ये नहीं चाहिए. ये सारे चीज का ये कारण होते हैं. ये देश पे ये कोई सरकार अभी है, ये सरकार का लोग से विश्वास बिल्कुल नहीं है. The problem here is when the people, the citizens, when they lost their confidence on the government, they have a choice. After 5 years they will change the government. But here the problem here in the country now is the government has completely lost confidence on the people. They don't completely, उनका कोई भी इतने भी एक बूंद भी विश्वास नहीं है लोग के पास. लोकतंत्र के पास विश्वास नहीं है. क्यों है तो कोई गलती किया, काला धन किसका पास है, सूची उनका पास है तो उनका पकड़ सकते, उनका जेल भेज सकते, कुछ ना तो करना तो कर सकते, बट दे पनिश एवरीबडी इन द कंट्री at the whole, on the whole. Not even a single citizen is out of there because they have that very clear scheme. So there is an international ploy also on this. Everybody, they are just puppets like our rulers here making. They are not thinking about anything. How the people here in the JNU also you have seen how big queue. Why the students or somebody has to wait for the so long queues in the country for their own money? There is no reason. But this is all the kind of a, they want to bring the again the Walmart, they want to bring the big malls, and everybody must buy even vegetables also in the mall because they have to create such a compulsion for all of us to go to there only. You can't buy anywhere. And Patel Nagar pe I am living, so there I have seen 5 years before once. There is all the vegetable sellers. They used to come so close and sell into the gar to gar. Oh, everywhere, gar aake. But after one day, all these people, they were hiding somewhere and they are watching and again they are running. I could not understand why they are all running like that. Then I came and out and I started searching and going behind them. What is the reason? So उन्होंने बोला पुलिस हमारा का they are पकड़ रहा है. So क्यों पकड़ रहा है? वहाँ पटेल नगर पे रिलायंस फ्रेश का एक माल आ गया, वो आने के बाद वो पुलिस आके उनका पास लाइसेंस नहीं है, सबका भाग रहा है. It is a fact, it I have seen. Actually, everybody must go to the Reliance Fresh and buy the vegetables. For that reason, they started police to appoint and pay the money to the police to chase all these vegetable sellers. The same thing what happened in Patel Nagar 5 years before. Now the Prime Minister of this country is doing now. He is doing all these people, chasing from all the business and whatever they are getting their small income, and they want to give the whole business to the big malls and big shops and the companies. This as a democracy, as the people, the students we are all view, everybody must think exactly and we have to come. And Najib का विषय पर, रोहित का विषय पर मैं ज़्यादा बोलना जरूरत नहीं. You know very well, and this country has become like such a big issues also. Now it is not a big issue like for many people. And people as out, the students are out, and people Rohit has died, and what they are doing, they are making Rohit mother as the victim. Rohit mother as a just actually as a victim of actually all these institutional problem, and she is running everywhere and talking in everywhere. Now the government is trying to make brand as criminal. Now they are saying that she has taken the caste certificate wrongly. She has taken the, and actually all these things, and appointed the commission and commission report, all making the actually Radhika Vemula as the criminal. This is what is the government very clear. So my submission to all of you and all in India, we have to join hands. Their scheme is very clear. Their idea is very clear. So as India, as idea है तो वो definitely a democracy पे ही हो सकती. ऐसा fundamentalism पे कोई ये इंडिया नहीं बिल्ड कर सकते. इंडिया है तो वो बिल्कुल वो डेमोक्रेसी होना. इंडियन सिटीजन मतलब हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पे इंडियन सिटीजन क्या है वो तो होना चाहिए. आर्टिकल सारे हम लोग एक बार पढ़े तो आर्टिकल 29(2) बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. यहाँ हमारा का सबका डिफरेंट कल्चर पे जीने के, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज बात करने के, हम क्या खाना सारे विषय पर इतने फ्रीडम एक्सप्रेशन सारे होते हैं, बट ये देश पे सारे बंद हैं. सो मैं कहना क्या है, ये देश पे ये नया सिटीजन अभी पैदा होने की जरूरत है. दैट इज एन 1950 January 26, where the Ambedkar has submitted the November in the 1949 the constitution, which has come into the force on the now exactly January 26, 1950. There they have said very clearly that citizen we want. We don't want any citizen who can claim that I am a great citizen. मेरा 800 साल का इतिहास है. कोई इतिहास हमारा का जरूरत नहीं. हमारा इतिहास, हमारा कोई सिटीजन होगा ये देश का 1950 January 26 क्या इंडियन सिटीजन है, वहाँ से हम लोग ये देश का फिर दोबारा बिल्ड करना पड़ता है। यहाँ हमारा का आज़ादी मिलेगा। ये आज़ादी के लिए हम लोग सारे लड़ना, नहीं है तो एक दिन रोहित ऐसा डाइवर्ट करते हैं, एक दिन नजीब होगा, एक दिन दूसरा जगह होगा, छत्तीसगढ़ पे क्या होगा, कश्मीर पे क्या हो रहा है, ऐसा हर जगह हमारा कलेक्टिव एक एफर्ट है स्ट्रगल का, ये डाइवर्ट करने के भी एक माहौल क्रिएट कर रहा है। सो मेरा अनुरोध है, ये असली ये देश का आज़ादी के लिए हम लड़ना चाहिए। आज़ादी एक बहुत विस्तृत रूप में यूज़ करना एक शब्द है। आज़ादी शब्द इस्तेमाल करने के कोई डरना जरूरत नहीं है। मुझे चाहिए आज़ादी जाति से, ऐसा सब लोग विमेन आल्सो मस्ट से दैट मुझे चाहिए आज़ादी। ये देश पे कोई हक अधिकार का इधर बदनाम हो रहा है, सब लोग हम लोग बोलना पड़ता है मुझे चाहिए आज़ादी। मैं फिर इधर से बता रहे हैं, आज़ादी गलत शब्द नहीं है। ये देश पे सब लोग सुनना पड़ेगा, वो देखना पड़ेगा। ये आज़ादी बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है, डेमोक्रेसी पे आज़ादी भी एक इम्पोर्टेंट है। सो ये चीज़ पर मैं आपका सबका अनुरोध कर रहा है, वी जॉइन हैंड्स एवरीबडी like safai karmacharis, we are also struggling past many years, so we need it definitely azadi. So likewise everybody join hands to build the new India, a idea of India where there is a secular forces and democratic forces, liberal for all, we are all people together build the new India. Thank you, Jai Bhim.